You've been lied to, and it's killing your potential. You're not tired. You're haunted by the version of yourself you were supposed to become. And every scroll, every snooze button, every fake "one day I'll start" pushes that version further away. This isn't motivation. It is a warning. Because if you don't wake up today, your dream dies quietly tomorrow. Script they sold you. Go to school, get a job, retire at 65. You die average. That's the script. And it's fucking broken. You were taught how to obey, not how to think. You were told what to memorize, but never how to make money. You've been playing a game you never even chose. You clock in, you smile for a boss who doesn't know your name, and you wonder why you're still broke. You're not lazy. You're not dumb. You're just conditioned. But the second you realize the cage door is open, you either fly or you rot. Chapter 2. The Void Inside You. Let's cut the SHT. You don't want just money. You want to walk in a room and be respected. You want to pay for your mum's meds without looking at your bank app. You want freedom. You want power. You want peace. You're not after $1 million. You're after the main feeling of never being powerless again. But right now you're watching others build while you keep waiting for permission. News flash. No one is coming. You are the savior. You are the strategy. You are the system. But only if you start right fucking now. Chapter 3. The Escape Plan. Here's the game plan. If I had to start from zero today, no money, no followers, no clout, I'd do this and I'd still make us million. Step 1. Choose a war-winning niche. Dad's motivation. Finance. Transformation. People don't want info, they want to feel. Step 2. Go faceless. ChatGPT for scripts. 11 labs for voice. In video or picture for video. No camera. No excuses. Step 3. Post 1 video a day. 30 longs. 30 shorts. Shorts get attention. Longs build trust. Trust still money. Step 4. Monetize fast. Sell a $7 PDF. Upsell a $99 course. Add a $4.99 mentorship. Use Gumroad. Get paid in your sleep. And step 5. Manually hunt for your first 1,000 true fans. Comment under viral videos. Be everywhere. Create conversations. Drop value, not spam. Because the internet? It's the great equalizer. If you're still broke in 2025, that's not the system. That's you. Chapter 4. The Cost of Waiting. Visual fades to a 70-year-old man watching YouTube. He sees a young creator. He hears the fire in his voice, and he remembers he had that fire once. But he waited. He procrastinated. He scrolled. He consumed. He commented on life, but he never created it. Now, it's too late. Hell is meeting the version of yourself you were destined to be, and knowing you'll never become him. Chapter 5. The Rise. You, right now, this is your origin story. This video, it's not content, it's a blueprint. And because I see something in you that maybe no one else does. I see a leader, a builder, a legend in progress. But all that means nothing if you don't move. So, what now? You either keep watching or you start winning. Chachi. Call to action. If this video burned something in your soul, that's not an accident. And subscribe. Comment. I will escape the matrix. Download the blueprint. Start today. Not tomorrow. Today. And because your future, it's not in someone's hands. It's in your fucking fingertips. And final